guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing a makeup tutorial on this look. I have majorly used this Kryolan Dermacolor camouflage cream as my base makeup today. I have just used this to conceal my problematic areas, and I've showed you how you can use them. So this is the palette, and if you want to know a more detailed swatch video on this particular palette, then I have a video on that as well. You can go and click this iCard and check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description box as well. If you're interested, you can check that video out. But this video is going to be a demo on how you can use this palette for just for like an everyday makeup look. So this is the makeup look that I have come up with. I've shown you step by step. Before we jump on to this video, please like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the red color subscribe button right below this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload any video. So let's get started with today's video. Hey guys, so let's start with our base first. So for base, as you all know from the title of this video, we are going to be using this Kryolan camouflage cream. This is the Dermacolor camouflage cream by Kryolan, and we're going to be using that on our face today as a base. So from this palette, I actually did an entire video about this palette on my channel. If you haven't checked that out yet, do check it out. I've done swatches and stuff, so that video will be useful. I'll put a card up here or here so that you can go and check that video out. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking two shades to use it on my face like a base. I'm just going to do some basic correction on my face. I'm not going to apply the entire product on my entire face. I'm just going to correct the areas that I feel that needs a little bit of attention. And the two shades that I have used today is these two shades. So this is called DFD and this one is called D742. So these two shades I have taken some on my palette, scooped out a little bit using a spatula, and mix them together. So whenever you're using this product, do buy this spatula and plate kind of thing that you get on Amazon, or Nykaa PAC has one. You can definitely go out and buy this so that you know it feels a little bit more hygienic rather than dipping your brush directly into the product. So I've mixed those two shades, the D742 shade and the DFD shade. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and start applying it on my problematic areas, before which let's tie our hair back. It's supremely hot, so I'm just going to tie my hair back, before which I also need to moisturize. I've just got my vitamin C serum on my face right now. That is all. I haven't moisturized my face yet, for which I'm using this Mamaearth by Blemish face cream. So I'm just scooping out a little bit and then using it all over. You need a little bit of coverage, just use it like that, just spot concealing. So that's it, our face is nicely concealed. Let's move on to applying a little bit of powder, because now as you can see it looks really oily, also because I'm sweating a little bit because of the heat, so it looks a little bit oily. So I'm going to be using a powder, a loose powder preferably, to set this. So I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 30. I think it's called Deep or something. So I'm going to be using a damp sponge and I'm going to set this in place. So now that the eyebrows are done, let's move on to the eyes, for which I'm going to be using this Faces Canada kajal. This is the Altum Pro kajal. It's a beautiful jet black kajal. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to just scribble that on my upper lash line, like close to my upper lash line. I guess this looks much better than the exotic shade, like this mixed in with the exotic shade. Anyways, this is the final look. I'm going to leave my hair open, do my hair a little bit, and then I'll be right back. So this, you guys, is the final look. It looks like you've done like so much to your skin when in reality you've just concealed your problematic areas, and the eyes are bold, the lips are neutral, and I think I love this look. It looks extremely nice and like an everyday look. That's it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my demo on how to use the Kryolan Dermacolor palette for just concealing your face a little bit and a little bit of coverage, and I hope you found this useful. And also do check out my other video on this palette. I have a detailed swatch video on this palette. If you have any queries, you can go to that video and you'll be able to find answers for them. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.